Next, we need to add one image to each of these columns. First, an image from Add Components is dragged into the column tube switch like this. Check carefully whether the image was added in the column. In the same way, we add an image to the column fan switch. Let's add an image again to the column CFL switch. Okay, now let's change the properties of each image. Select the image in column tube switch and rename this image as image tube. I click this rename button and type here as image tube. Next, let's add the tube.gif image for the picture here. Now for the height, select absolute size and give a value of 50. Again, let's select absolute size for width and give 50 here. Since the image needs to be circular, we set the border radius as 75 here. Okay, next let's go to the image inside the column fan switch. First, select the image and click the rename button and rename it as image fan. The fan.gif image is provided for the next picture. As before, select absolute size for height and give a value of 50. Let's choose absolute size for width and give a value of 50. Next, the border radius is given as 75. Next is the image in the column CFL switch. Let's rename this image as image CFL. I click this rename button and type as image rename. The CFL.gif image is given for the next picture. As before, select absolute size for height and give a value of 50. Let's select absolute size for width and give a value of 50. Next, the border radius is given as 75.